Hello everyone, in this video today I will show you how to hedge expected foreign currency receipt using money market hedge. As you can see, we are expecting 5 million US dollar receipt in 6 month time. We are exposed to adverse rate movement, therefore we like to protect ourselves from the adverse rate movement. We have the option to transact forward deal to hedge the exposure, but for the purpose of this video I will show you how to create effective forward rate using money market hedge or synthetic forward contract. We will borrow US dollar for 6 months, and then we will convert borrowed US dollar into sterling using a spot rate. We will then place sterling on deposit for 6 months. You can see 5 million US dollar is our future value because it is due in 6 month time. We can find the present value before we borrow US dollar. We need to find out how much we should borrow now. In order to find the present value of 5 million US dollar, we will use a formula: present value is equal to future value divided by 1 plus R. Future value is 5 million. Number of days are 182, and the borrowing rate for US dollar is 1.05% per annum. We will use that data to calculate present value. Present value is equal to 5 million US dollar divided by 1 plus 0.0105 multiplied by 182 divided by 360. We will get the present value of 4,973,598.48 dollars. That is the amount we are going to borrow today for 6 months at a rate of 1.05 per annum for 182 days. The receipt of 5 million US dollar in 6 month time will be used to repay the borrowing principal plus interest when the borrowing will mature at maturity. Now the second thing we are going to do, we will convert 4,973,598.48 into sterling using the spot rate. We have borrowed US dollar. We are now selling US dollar. We are buying sterling. GBP is a base currency. Bank sell base high. That is why the spot rate we are going to use is 1.2810. We will convert US dollar 4,973,598.48 using 1.2810. We will get the sterling amount of 3,882,590.54. That is the amount of sterling we will deposit for 6 months using the rate of 2% per annum. Now you can see the amount. GBP principal is 3,882,590.54. We will multiply it by 1 plus 0.02 multiplied by number of days 182 divided by 365 to get principal plus interest at maturity. Amount is 3,921,310.07. US dollar receipt is 5 million. GBP amount at maturity is 3,921,310.07. We can calculate the effective forward rate, synthetic forward rate, by dividing 5 million US dollar receipt by sterling amount 3,921,310.07. The effective forward rate we have achieved is 1.2751. Now if we compare both rate to see which one is more effective, as you can see we have a forward rate of 1.2720 which was given to us, and the synthetic rate, effective forward rate, that we have established is 1.2751. If we divide expected US dollar receipt of 5 million by the forward rate, you will get 3930817.61 sterling. If you divide 5 million US dollar receipt by the effective forward rate or synthetic forward rate, you will get sterling of 3921261.08. You can see that using the effective forward rate or synthetic forward contract, we will receive less sterling by 9556.53. In this particular example, you can see that it is more effective to use a forward contract to hedge exposure against the adverse rate movement. I hope this video will help you to understand how to create money market hedge and compare it with the forward rate to find which one is more effective. Have a lovely day.